welcome back. My name is Lee. I am the head chef at Bishops Gate Derry, Londonderry. Today I'm going to show you our new duck dish. So first things first is I'm going to get a nice beautiful bit of duck. They come in not prepped. So it's just the breast. Basically we use the leftover skin. We use it for the duck skin granola, which is on the dish. So basically all we do is we slice down the sides of the duck and we score each side, and the leftover duck we chop up finely, we put it into a pan and let it render itself, let the fat cook itself. And basically all we do for that is when the fat is really crispy, the skin, all we do is add it to some granola with a bit of duck skin and a bit of honey, and we blitz that up, and that's just a part of another element of the dish. So next step, we're going to cook the duck breast. We're going to get a cold pan, we're going to place the duck breast down, skin side down, we're going to cook it till it gets golden brown. We're going to flip it over. As soon as it's golden brown, we're going to give it 4 minutes in the oven. 4 to 5 minutes. Take it out. We want to cook it about medium rare to medium. While that's out of the oven, we're going to let it rest for 4 or 5 minutes. And while that's resting, we're going to get on with our puree. So all we're doing is basically we're cutting down, peeling up the sweet potato. We're going to cube it. We're going to cook it in butter, milk, bit of cream, bit of honey, and a bit of seasoning, and we're going to just reduce it till it's nice and thick, and we're going to blitz it till it's a silky smooth puree. While the puree is made, the duck skin granola is made, the duck is resting, we are going to get the pak choy. So the duck fat that's in the pan, basically all we're doing is it's like an Asian leaf. We're going to fire it into the pan for about 30 seconds. It's just wilt straight down, and that's basically the whole dish there done. Putting it together now is we're going to slice the duck breast. We're going to get a nice dollop of your sweet potato puree. We're going to swipe it down. Pak choy is being cooked in the duck fat. We're going to place that on. We're going to slice the duck. We're going to put the duck on. Bit of the duck skin granola just all over the place. You know, we're not going to make it look too fancy. And to finish the duck dish, all we're doing is we are finishing it with a plum sauce. So all we're doing is getting 4 or 5 plums. We're putting them in a nice pan, a nice hot pan. We're wilting them right down. We're putting them a bit of sugar and a splash of red wine sauce, and we're finishing the dish with the plum drizzle just over the top. It gives it a nice sweetness to the dish.